na kuya. Tara na.
To all our valued Cebu Pacific guests, please be reminded that every passenger is allowed only one hand carry baggage inside the cabin. The maximum weight shall be 7 kilograms and shall not exceed by 56 centimeter by 36 centimeter by 23 centimeter.
Hey, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na kasi. Bye-bye.